Alright, so now we're going to use the wrist. We're going to make the wrist block, this little piece right here. First thing that you want to do is go to a new part, create a new sketch, and we're going to start off with a rectangle. And this rectangle is going to be 1.75 by 1.5. Alright, so now we can go ahead and extrude that. So it's E to extrude, and it's going to be extruded to 0.75. Alright, I'm going to use my view cube, click on the front view, then use my arrow, and then click down. I'm going to put a sketch on the bottom here. Again, I'm going to use my point tool, and I'm going to measure that point from the bottom. It's going to be 0.38, and then from the front it's going to be 0.63. Then I can use my hole tool, so H for hole. I want the termination to be through all, and I want the size of the hole to be 0.38. Alright, we need to put one more hole in it. So on the right side, I'm going to put another point in. And this is going to be measured from the center to the bottom is going to be 0.75. And then right and left, it's going to be 0.38. And then again, I'm going to use my hole tool, so H for hole. We're going to go at distance, so I'm going to change my termination back to distance. And we're going to cut it in 0.63. And the size of the hole itself is going to be 0.5. The last thing that we need to do is fillet. So we're going to put two fillets, so I'm going to kind of rotate it towards the front. Use fillets. And we're going to fillet these two front pieces, and we're going to fillet them at a radius of 0.25. That's your wrist block. So you go to File, Save As, save it as wrist block.